sleep in a city that never wakes up.
Way. Start your free trial today. Come on in the water's lovely look. You could meet someone you like. You're in the meat of your strike. It is that easy. Lunar surface on a Saturday night, dressed up in silver and white with colored old gray whistle test lights. Take it easy for a little while. Come and stay with us. It's such an easy flight. Since the Exodus, it's all getting gentrified. I put a taqueria on the roof. It was well reviewed. 4 stars out of 5, and that's unheard of. Tunnel on the Starlight Express, the head of special effects in my mind's eye. Okey-cokey with the opposite sex, the things you try to forget. Doesn't time fly? I'm in no position to give advice. I don't wanna be nice, and you know that. Take it easy for a little while. Come and stay with us. It's such an easy flight. Keep on popping up around claviers. It's all getting gentrified. The information action ratio is the place to go, and you will not recognize the old headquarters of the nights that never happened and the days that don't exist. At the information action ratio, only time that we stop laughing is to breathe or steal a kiss. I can get you on the list for all the clubs. I can lift you up another semitone. Take it easy for a little while. Come and stay with us. It's such an easy flight. Cute new places keep on popping up. Since the Exodus, it's all getting gentrified. The information action ratio is the place to go. 4 stars. 6 in. If not, we'll have to have 2. Well, you're coming up at our end, aren't you? So I'll get one with you. I won't you let us have 6 in, especially not with the food. He could have just told us no, though. He didn't have to be rude. You see her with the green dress, she talked to me at the bar. Well, how come it's already £2.50? We've only gone about a yard. Didn't you see she was gorgeous? She was beyond belief. But this lad at the side drinking the Smirnoff Ice came and paid for a tropical reef. And I'm sitting going backwards, and I didn't want to leave. I said it's I agree, mate, buy a Hillsborough, please. Well, I had funny with that sketch earlier, up near that taxi rank. Although you would have missed it, think it was when you went to the bank. These two lads squaring up, proper shouting, oh, we're next in the queue. The kind of thing that seems so silly, but not when they both had a few. Well, calm down, temper, temper, we just shouldn't get so annoyed. Well, you're acting like a silly little boy. Well, they wanted to be men and do some fighting in the street. They said no surrender, no counter retreat. So why in the taxi? 'Cause I didn't want to leave. I said it's I agree, mate, buy a Hillsborough, please. Well, drunken blocks managed to jump it. Ask around, are you sure? Went for it, but the red light was showing. The red light indicates doors are secure.
Grandfather's guitar, thinking about how funny I must look, trying to adjust to what's been there all along. With the boat kiosk lady and her sleepy amigo, it ain't a holiday until you go to fix something from the car. Travel size champagne, cork pops, and we're sweeping for bugs. Some dusty apartment, the what's it called cafe. You can arrive at 11 and have lunch with the English. But it ain't a holiday until they force you to make a wish. They say climb up this, jump off that, and you pretend to fall asleep on the way back.
I was biting the time zone, and we embellished the banks of our bloodstreams, and threw caution to the colourful. And then we fell asleep in the car until the bumps woke me up in your grip, and the tide took me to your mouth, and then swept me back down to your palms. It's then that put me inside the reminder that yours is the only ocean that I wanna swing from. Yours is the only ocean that I wanna hang on. I've got this 𝐿 mechanic, she's always trying to give me vitamins. I should be frightened of your reflection. I preferred her as a cartoon. If I could be someone else for a week, I'd spend it chasing after you. Cause she's not shattered in my attitudes, no matter how she folds the potion. Yours is the only ocean that I wanna swing from. Yours is the only ocean that I want to hang on to. Yours is the only ocean. Yours is the only ocean. Yours is the only ocean. Yours is the only ocean approaching. Shield your eyes. Ocean approaching. Visualize. Holding a token. Swollen inside. Ocean approaching. Shield your eyes. But if we're gonna escape, though, we really ought to think it through. Would you like me to build you a go-kart?
Mad sounds in your ears make you feel alright. They bring you back to life. Mad sounds in your ears make you get up and dance, and make you get up. Yeah, they make you get up. Love buckles under the strain of those wild nights. Run, but you cannot hide. Mad sounds in your ears and make you get up and dance, and make you get up all